Now we're going to do a Medicaid pair of eyeglasses. This is for a young person, single vision. We're going to choose lens type as single vision, single purpose. On our Medicaid patients under the age of 20 and under, we are going to choose polycarbonate if they'd like them thinner. If they would like another lens material that's thin and they are willing to pay that difference on like a 1.67 or one of those others, that would be fine. We treat them to the poly when it's a very high prescription. Lens style is also going to be single vision. So this is a complete basic billing. We have our frame. Our modern frames are ones that are covered completely. So we have our PDs done, our optical centers. So here's our billing. I'm going to relook up. There we go. So all we have is the base lens with the thin, ready to send over to our super bill. Transfer to the super bill. And with Medicaid, I'm going to go straight to the super bill. We're going to go down. Let's find the right bill. There we go. And modify the charge. So anything above this item, place non-HCFA item below this line, anything up here we do want to file. So the frame code is V2020. We would like the frame up here, V2020. Should come with a drop-down box. So here's our frame. I like to go ahead and put the name of the frame just for the clarity of the billing. And what we're going to file out of the $169 is $62. Okay, so that's part of the $169. We, for our practice, write off the difference unless they get a fancier brand. So right here, below the HCFA line, we're going to put the difference. Under V2025, which means deluxe frame overage. So 107 plus 62 is the 169. So right here, we're going to put the 107. Very good. I'm going to remove that now because we don't want a duplication. Everything should not be disturbed as far as what we add up. But let's see, what are we going to send to the insurance? We're going to send the base lens. Patient has no copay or anything. Also the extra thin. We're going to move that over to the insurance column. And the $62 that the insurance will cover. Again, with these modern frames that we fit the patient in, we're going to SVCA DJ, or service adjust, that difference off. Okay? And how do we do that? We're going to put a minus in front of the 1 to minus quantity out of the patient's section. There we go. So that is a complete Medicaid billing if they are eligible for eyewear. If in between they're age 20 and under, they're not eligible, but they can have replacements for lost or stolen eyewear, then you would put an RB modifier right here. This patient is eligible, so we're good. Okay? Very good. So that's a complete Medicaid billing. We're going to close that. We're going to take care of that being sent. Now when you go back to RX, when you're looking at this billing, this is all complete. Over to the right is where you're going to mark that it was a replacement with the RB modifier down to the right. Medicaid glasses only. Just note that it was for lost or stolen eyewear, etc. And that's a complete Medicaid billing.